Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Tivimate player to your Fire TV device. This is going to be a full guide, so please, if you find the video helpful or interesting, please you can do well to like, subscribe and share to support me so I can create more videos like this. So this is a full guide on how to download and install the Tivimate player to your Fire TV device. I'm going to be showing you every single step necessary for you to follow to install this particular player to your Fire TV device. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do on your Fire TV device is to get the downloader application to your Fire TV device, because that's one of the applications that we need to install this player. So to install downloader is very simple. Just go over to your app store box or find button and search downloader, and you can go ahead and install the application because it's this and it is very easy to install to your Fire TV. Now the reason why installing this application is because it's what we need to install this player to our Fire TV, as it is not found on the Fire TV app store. So installing downloader is not hard. Just go over here, follow the instructions as you've seen me show, and you get the application installed. Once you install the application, you can then return home. But that is just the very first step on this full guide process. Now after installing downloader, let's move on to the next step. The next step is making sure that our Fire TV allows app installations from unknown sources. On default, a Fire TV device doesn't allow that. So as a user, you need to turn that on. So to turn it on your Fire TV device, what you have to do is to go over to your settings and go over to the option that says My Fire TV. So to make sure that your Fire TV can install applications from unknown sources, you need to go over here and make sure that you have this option called Developer Options. Now, if your Fire TV is new, this option is not going to be available. But do not worry, I'm about to show you how to turn that on. Just make sure you follow me attentively. Now as you go over here, come to the option that says About and click on it. On the name of your Fire TV, yes, mine is Fire TV Stick 4K. On the name of yours, just click on it 5 times or click OK 5 times until you see a pop-up that says no need, you are already a developer. So as you see that option or that pop-up, you can then return home and you are going to get the developer options turned on. Now once you turn it on, you need to come over to it, and on the option that says apps from unknown sources, you need to make sure that this option is turned on, because this is the option that is going to allow your Fire TV system to install applications from unknown sources. Please, I want to stress this very importantly. If this option is not turned on, whatever I'm going to show you next on this video is not going to work, because it works dependent on this option. So once that is turned on, you can then return home, and we've done two very important steps. We'll install downloader and we'll make sure that our Fire TV device can install applications from unknown sources. Now let's move ahead. To install the Tivimate, we need to install an app store or an application that is an app store to our Fire TV. The application I'm referring to is the application called APK Time. To install APK Time is simple. Just go over to this box over here and type in this short code. The code is 21254. So once you type in this code 21254, you're going to install an application called APK Time, which for me is a mini app store that you can use on your Fire TV device or even Android TV device to install other applications. So this is how to install it. Just go over here, search for, or come to the downloader box, type in 21254, and it's going to bring it over here. And all you have to do is go over to this box or this button that says download, and you click on it. So go over here and you click on download. Once you click download, it's going to start downloading straight away. It takes just seconds to download, and then you can go ahead and install the application to your Fire TV device, as simple as you just saw me do. So the application has been installed. Delete the app file from your Fire TV device, and then you can return home. Now the application has been installed, and we can go ahead and use it on our Fire TV device to install the Tivimate player to our Fire TV device. So if you return over here, as you can see, the APK Time has been installed. Now, if you launch the application, this is how it is going to look like. So as you can see in this video already, I've not just showed you how to install APK Time, but also I've also showed you how to install a mini app store that can help you install other applications apart from the application I'm showing you in this video. So this app has lots of other applications in entertainment, Codifox, live TV, movies, sports, and so on. There are lots of other applications that you could install to your Fire TV by using this app. So if once you go over here, if you are looking for the Tivimate, also take out your time to install the applications. But for the sake of this video, I'm only interested in the Tivimate player. So once you go over here, what you have to do is you go over to the option that says players and browsers. So once you go over here, just go over launch, and as you can see, there are lots of other players here apart from just the Tivimate. So please, to go to Tivimate, just browse down to the bottom. As you come over here, just browse to the bottom or browse down. You are going to see an option for Tivimate. As you can see, those are other players you could install. So once you come down, there's an option that says Tivimate below here. So just give it a moment, a second, one more, and here's the application. Oh, where are you running to? So here's the application Tivimate, and as you can see, it is updated to our latest version. So here's it over here. You can go over here, just click on download, and it's going to allow you, or it's going to take time. So just click download, and the application is going to be downloaded to your Fire TV. So for me here, the application has been downloaded. So what I have to do now is just click install and then wait. Once you click install, the application is going to take some seconds, and then it has been installed to my Fire TV device. So as you can see, it did take a lot of time, just took some seconds, and the application has been installed to my Fire TV device. So if I return home now, as I return home, I come over to my apps over here, and I'm going to see the Tivimate application has been installed. So the process is simple. First of all, install downloader, then install APK Time. Once you install APK Time, you can then use APK Time to install the Tivimate application. So you go over here, you can launch the application on your Fire TV, and this is how mine looks like. So as you can see, Tivimate does not provide any sources of TV channels or content. This application does not provide any content. As a user, you are the one that has to add your source of content to this application. This is just a player, and if you don't have a source of content, the application is not going to work for you. So to use it, you need to search for your own playlist. I don't know where you could get your playlist. You could search it on the internet, or you could go over to providers of playlists, and they can get your own playlist. And once you get it, you can then come out here and add the playlist to Tivimate, and that's where you can use the application on your Fire TV device. But Tivimate in itself, it is just a player, so you still need your content source to use the application. And that's it. This video showed you how to install Tivimate as a full guide on your Fire TV device. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.